Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to use your points on SHEIN. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what we're going to do first is to just open up SHEIN as you can see. So open up your SHEIN app, or you can also go and do this on your computer as well, of course. But you need to also log in into your account if you haven't done so already, and then you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, then what you're going to do, you're going to scroll down and now choose what kind of clothing that you want to be able to get, of course. So I'm just going to take this one as an example. So I'm just going to take this one, add this one to cart, and then I'm going to click on my cart symbol in the top. As you can see, I'm going to click on my cart symbol. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on checkout in the bottom right corner. And then I should be taken to this page right here, as you can see, which is perfect. So now on this page, to be able to actually use your points, you're just going to scroll down in here. And as you can see where it says apply voucher, but also it says gift card, it also says view more. So click on view more. And as you can see in the last option right here, you should be able to see points, as you can see. So right now I have no points, but if you do, you will be able to click on them right here, and then you will be able to apply points to your order that you're going to check out. So that is basically exactly how to use your points on SHEIN.